Hey friends, if you want to be an AI engineer, then you are at the right place. I will tell you exactly what skills you need to be an AI engineer. Hey guys, I'm Prasad. I've spent 20 years building softwares and managing teams. But the trend is changing and trends always change. Right now, AI is hot and everyone wants to be an AI engineer. So let's dive right into how to be an AI engineer. Let's first understand what exactly is AI engineering. What do AI engineers do? So AI engineers are building AI systems or AI products. But what exactly are AI products? Well, so let's try to understand this. If you think of ChatGPT, it is an AI system, and I clearly distinguish it from AI model or large language models. So AI system is a complex, large system with different components. For example, ChatGPT has a front end, which is the actual chatbot that you see on chatgpt.com. Then you'll have a backend, and this will be a backend for front end, which will be written in some kind of, exposing some kind of APIs so that your front end can talk to your backend. Then there will be some databases which can keep and store all your conversations. And then there will be some kind of small part of the whole system, which is actual integration of your APIs with the large language model, which is provided by OpenAI. And if you think about the actual AI model, it is really a small part of the bigger AI system, which is ChatGPT. And then there are many others. So what kind of products are built by AI engineers? So I'll take a simple example. Think about a lawyer and think about the extensive research they have to do, going into all the different historical cases, trying to find out some examples of maybe certain judge or certain case, the outcome was in a certain way, and they have to find out the precedents so that they can help their clients. And sometimes they have to read books, sometimes they have to read old cases, and it's an extensive work and it's an extensive research. So what if they have a system which ingests all this data and allows a lawyer to simply ask questions in a natural language and let this AI system figure out an answer? This is a real world example of an AI system and what it can do. So what tools are required to be an AI engineer? So let's try to understand. Let's try to understand what languages, what tools, what frameworks you need to know so that you can be hired as an AI engineer. So the most important one is a programming language, and the one that is used the most in academia and I think in corporate as in industry as well is Python. If you don't know Python, you'll have a difficult time. If you don't know Python, people may not take you seriously. Other languages and other concepts or technologies concepts you need to know is NLP, which is natural language programming. You need to know what NLP is. You need to know what transformers are, which are conceptual idea from deep learning domain. You need to know what large language models are. You need to understand what LangChain is. Like, you need to have a real experience on working with LangChain, which is a framework which allows you in a very simple way to interact with models so that you can deploy, so that you can build your own agents or build your own AI systems from scratch. You need to also understand what Hugging Face is, and because I think there is a lot of quite vibrant community on Hugging Face, which kind of publishes new models or maybe provides you libraries, and there is a lot going on Hugging Face. And if you don't know about Hugging Face, you can't be an AI engineer. And the last bit is understanding what APIs are. APIs is a fundamental way where multiple components talk to each other, and I think it's still very relevant. But it will be really difficult to be an AI engineer without knowing how different systems talk to each other with APIs. So now we know what skills you need to build, but how do you build them? Do you just teach yourself by watching lots of YouTube videos? Maybe that's a good way, but that will take time. That's why there are many good courses available on different concepts. So what are good courses to take to learn all these different skills? So there are a few really popular courses, and I'll recommend just 3 courses. You'll find tons of courses out there on Python, so just choose any one of them. Specifically for machine learning concepts like transformers, Andrew Ng's courses on Coursera are like gold standard. And there are 2 of them. One is on deep learning AI, and other one is more fundamental than that, which is machine learning by Andrew Ng. So I'll put the links for these courses in the description, so please have a look. And there is one on Udemy which is called an AI Engineer Bootcamp. This will teach you exactly how to use Python, and it will introduce you to different concepts of AI engineering and take you through the whole course in probably around a month or 2. So please have a look, and I'm going to put more links in the description to introduce you to more courses. So please look at the description and you'll find all good courses there. So that's how you become an AI engineer. And thanks for listening, and see you soon. Bye bye.